Ever had trouble connecting to Wi-Fi, slow internet, or maybe your phone just won't connect at all? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi and fix common issues, whether you're using a Samsung, another Android phone, or even an iPhone. And trust me, there are some settings you probably didn't know about that can make your Wi-Fi even better. So stick around, let's fix it together. Alright, let's start with how to connect to Wi-Fi on your phone. If you're using a Samsung Galaxy like the S22 Ultra or any Android phone, here is what you do. Step 1. Go to the Settings app. The settings is here, but I prefer to go up here, touch the settings, tap Connections. Connections. On some Androids, this might be under network and internet. Now tap Wi-Fi and make sure it's turned on. So this is my Wi-Fi. It's turned on. That's the on button. It's turned on. You will see a list of available networks. Select yours. So that's mine. So you enter your password. The same as if the two are the same. So if I select this now, you enter your Wi-Fi password and tap connect. If the password is correct, you should be online in seconds. So if your phone supports dual band Wi-Fi, try connecting to a 5 GHz network instead of 2.4 GHz for faster speeds. Now, what if you're connected but the internet isn't working? Or what if your phone won't connect at all? Here is how to fix the most common Wi-Fi problems. Issue number 1. Wi-Fi is on but won't connect. To fix that, you have to restart your phone and your router. Sometimes a simple reboot fixes everything. Issue number 2. Connected but no internet. To fix that, forget the Wi-Fi network by tapping and holding on it, then select forget network, reconnect and enter the password again. So I tap and hold this. Okay, go to the settings and then goes where it says forget. You hit forget. Then after that, try connecting, entering your password again. Issue number 3. Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting. Go to settings. Again, this is settings, connections, Wi-Fi, advanced settings. You tap here to get to advanced settings and check if switch to mobile data is turned on. So check if switch to mobile data is turned on. If it is, try turning it off. I don't have that option as I can see here. Issue number 4. Wi-Fi is not showing up at all. So make sure the airplane mode is off. If that doesn't help, reset your network settings. So first, if the Wi-Fi is not showing up at all, make sure this airplane mode, make sure this is not on. This thing, make sure it's off. Otherwise, you won't the Wi-Fi will not show up. Okay, but if that doesn't help, reset your network settings. So we'll go back again to the network settings. You go to settings and you go to general management and you go to reset and you say reset network settings. Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. and you hit reset. If you have an iPhone, refer to the description of this video for the step by step on how to fix that on iPhone. And that's it. Now you know how to connect to Wi-Fi and fix common problems on Samsung, Android, and iPhone. If this helped you, do me a favor, hit the like button, drop a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more easy Samsung tutorials. Share this with someone who keeps asking, why would my Wi-Fi work? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.